I want to show you guys something that I've never seen in my lifetime. And maybe you can see it, but I'll get closer for you guys and just see it. By the way, the police, one police of Maine have done nothing to this truck driver. Didn't write no ticket, no nothing. Just let him sit there. I was recorded for a little bit because the guy's sleeping. I don't want him to. He's probably doing 10-hour probably stay up for 2-3 days. Or long days, long nights, and I'm going to try to be quiet for him when I get up there. That's Walker Street. I can see and Mountain Street. Yep, it's from Tennessee. Do you see any police around? No. He's parking, no parking area. As you see. And they up the way. In a way, he's by bus stop. Metropolitan. It's got for people to see. People in here. Parking inside here. They can see the bus come. See, this guy's a bullhead fucking asshole. We won't get the bus. Have to walk clear here so the bus can come and pick them up. Because this fucking bonehead over here, decided to park in front of the bus stop. That's what you call a bonehead trucker.